Buddy, it's Michael Monkey Fab. Just a quick product announcement. Added this to the group. I love these things. Matt Happel turned me on to these things on Sloppy Mechanics, and they're awesome. So whenever you guys, I just don't even use butt connectors anymore. I use these. However, the problem that I ran into is I bought this, like probably you guys already all have. It was like a pack of 100, and it comes with a bunch of these ones, which are, I don't know, I never use them, so it's got to be for like super small wires, maybe if you're doing like ECU sensor stuff. Yeah, and then these big yellow ones, again, which I just really don't use these guys that much. I use those more than I use these guys, but I'm always using these red ones for like 16 gauge wires and the blue ones for like 12 and 14 gauge wires. So I used all these guys up, and that was kind of the deal. So anyway, I reached out and got these added to the store, and they're just sold in packs of 100, and you can get the size you want. You got the yellow, the blue. I'll put it in an order of size here so you can see that. So you got the yellow, which is like the large gauge stuff, blue, which would be like, I'm pretty sure I'm using this stuff around like 12, 10 gauge stuff, maybe 14 gauge. This is definitely like my 16 gauge go-to, and then I don't know, like super small sensor wire stuff. So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know, give you an idea of what you're talking about. These are sold 100 per pack, and you can just order whatever color you need, and that way you're not getting a bunch of stuff you don't need, just the stuff you do need, and hopefully that will help you out. I appreciate the business.